Hi friends, welcome to my test bed for my LCC implementation. It's 8 feet long. It consists of 4 blocks, small blocks, of Kato Unitrack. It'll simulate the 4 blocks in each industrial district on my layout, which part of which you can see over here. Helix. Anyway, it's quite a mess here because I'm building stuff as I go on this table. And so there's a Scale Trains SC40-2 I'm using for testing. Right here you're seeing a NCE circuit breaker with a circuit coil that does circuit detecting on the LCC block related to that particular circuit breaker. And here is the signal LCC on the left and the BOD4CP, which is the block occupancy detector for this control point. That will run 4 blocks, but I'm only using it for 2 on each end. And then you guys have probably heard me talk before about the MTB switch machines, and there's one of those hooked in series. I had to make this cable and solder it to the board to come back to hook to the touch toggles. You've heard me talk about the touch toggles before. So the system LCC does support that. And as you can see, as we go down the test bed, there's another block, and another block, and another set of LCC signal boards, signal LCC, and another BOD4CP with a Model Railroad Control Systems NP1 version 2 switch and touch toggle. I've got this hooked to the computer with an NCE power cab, but I just wanted to show you how this LCC system detects the movement of the train. So I'm going to fire the train up here, or the engine up, and you can see as it moves to the blocks, see another light came on to indicate that it's in the second block. As it goes completely into that block, the first light will go out. And we'll come down here. You can see it's now in this block and leaving the other block, so that other light has gone out. There it goes. As the locomotive comes into this final block here, you can see the second light come on. And then once it entirely enters that block, the light will go off. And then we'll back it up. You can see the second light comes on to indicate occupation. And then block 4 goes out, block 3 remains on. You'll see as it goes into straddles block 2 and 3, that light has just come on. This one goes out, and as it enters that next block, you'll see the second LED come on the board, indicating that it's straddling both blocks. And then it'll go out, indicating it's back into block 1. So this is like the first step. I've got it hooked up to JMRI. I still need to get into the CDI to do the setup for the logic. And I also need to make some signals so that I've got something to show signaling and put that logic in. And it's really filling in the blanks. I have to say it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. I've been making a lot of calls to various people to help me out with this. I don't know if it's just me or if it's the fact that it's really complicated. But anyway, once I get it all set up in JMRI and fully tested, then I should be able to start implementing it on my layout, which each industrial block, of which there are 5 on the top deck, will get this full complement of electronics that you see here. So hope you enjoyed this, and hope you're all well and having a great day.